Hello, my name is Gail Kavanaugh, and I'm a licensed life insurance agent in the state of Rhode Island. My company is Gail Kavanaugh's Financial Solutions. I represent several life insurance carriers with A or A+ ratings. Whether you have applied for life insurance on yourself or your spouse, the question may have arisen about your need for life insurance on your children. Yes, parents can purchase life insurance on their children to cover the cost of a funeral and other expenses related to the child's untimely death. The child rider. Most life insurance companies allow the purchase of life insurance on children as soon as they are born. If the parent already has a child rider on the policy covering one or more children on their own policy, the newborn can be added free of charge just by notifying the insurance company of the new addition to the family. If the child rider does not exist on the policy, the parents can request the insurance company representative to add the child rider to the policy. Additionally, the child rider will cover all of the parent's children under the age of 18 for one low price. Separate life insurance coverage. The advantage to purchasing a separate life insurance policy on a child is that the parent can purchase the insurance at a very low premium, which will never change, regardless of the health problems which may develop over the years. The earlier the parent purchases a life insurance policy or rider on the child, the better it will be for the child. If there is a history of a childhood disease which is debilitating, it would still be covered if the parent purchased life insurance before the disease was diagnosed. The parent could then purchase a separate life insurance policy on the child for up to 5 times the original amount of insurance without evidence of insurability. Being able to purchase life insurance without evidence of insurability is important in the event that the child develops a serious or chronic health problem later on in life. The life insurance policy can never be canceled as long as premiums are being paid. As adults, they may be denied the coverage if they try to apply for life insurance coverage with a serious or chronic health problem. Whole life insurance cash value. The child would have a whole life insurance policy as opposed to the term life insurance on a child rider. With a whole life insurance policy, there would be cash value that accumulates in the policy each year after the second year of coverage to help fund college expenses and other needs for the child. Convert to whole life. For instance, a child rider may cover a child for anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000. When the child converts the term rider to a separate life insurance policy on the child, he or she can purchase from $5,000 to $25,000 of life insurance on a separate policy for the child, without the evidence of insurability. To prevent the child from squandering the money when he or she becomes of legal age, in most states, 18, the parents could sign on as the owner of the policy, giving them control over the policy's proceeds. If a child develops a serious medical condition, he or she can still have a separate life insurance policy, but the premium may be a little higher than normal. The child would never be denied coverage because of his serious health problems. A term child rider will cover the child up to age 25. At age 26, the child would be removed from the child rider, and the child would have to purchase a life insurance policy on their own. Life insurance for the grandchildren. Many life insurance companies are allowing grandparents to purchase the child rider on their grandchildren under the age of 18. Whereas a parent can cover all of their children on a child rider, there is a limit to how many grandchildren they can cover. The same rules that would apply to the children on a term rider apply to the grandchildren. The grandparent has the option to convert the term rider on the grandchildren to separate whole life insurance policies. This is an ideal situation in which the grandparents can now purchase life insurance on the grandchildren when their parents cannot or refuse to purchase it. If you are interested in purchasing life insurance on your grandchildren or your children, I would be happy to assist you.